Morning, we're back on the job. So today we're going to do some stonework. We got that in, all bit of block work in. Spent like a day and a half doing that. Well, we spent a full day. We got a good rowing, and then I was just peeing about, getting all windows set out and right. So we didn't do a lot that day, but it wasn't enough. It's a big area that like. So when you only put in a few down, it's a lot really, and blocks are quite long. So we're doing well. Anyway, we've got this in as well once we finish that block work, insulation and what have you. And what we're going to do is, when you're doing stone, you can't have a line on it because it's random. So you can't put lines on. So you need your block work bang on, and then you just measure off your block work for your plumb. So I'll be putting blocks on, I measure off this board, make sure it's all touching when I'm doing it, and that's how we'll keep it plumb. And then on this side, this corner, just set a little plumb line up, put a lat on, cut a line in it, saw cut in it, and then just put it on with add a plumb bob on, and then just kept dragging plumb bob on. I put one tack in that side, and I'm moving it about till we got it right, then put another tack in, and just wrapped it round, and then that'll give us plumb just for this corner, because we can't measure this corner, you see, because we'd be like that, so we can measure that way to keep it plumb, and then we'll just use this line here just to keep us corner straight. I don't have to set corners up on each side, I can just set them to when we get to them, because it don't really matter. We're just going to get this bit in today or something. We'll see how far we get, and then bit, and just work his way around like that. It's alright, let's crack on, Right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to put one on them corner, but they never come square. That's square, that one is square, but it's not faced. So we just need to chisel a face on it. Same way every block that's going to be on corner, we're going to have to chisel a face. So we'll just come back 20mm. We'll just work my way around and face it up. Now we've got the face, let's just get brick hammer off. We'll just square edges up. And that'll do. So we've got a nice edge then, nice fresh edge for this side. About 100-ish. Tell you what, I haven't got my level neither, have I? Oh, it's just over there.
I haven't got my tape.
You haven't got your tape, mate? No. It's not good, is it? No, it's not good.
Level's just behind you, right? Yeah. Random anyway, so.
Yeah, that's going to be a thinning though now.
Yeah, I've got some fittings here.
That 40mm.
Yep. 40mm. How wide do they want to be? Just 100?
It can be a max of like 120.
Ooh.
long's that? Needs to be about there, Tim. Need to cover that off about there.
Alright.
So about 8 inch, something. Can be less if you want. Can be. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, oh,
Oh.
anything, yeah, anything.
About one of these. Right.
Yeah, couple of them, yeah.
Wow, now.
It'll be a t-shirt day today, I bet.
Probably.
Yeah, you got another one of them.
Yeah.
How big's that? I need to span that joint. I could do is there a right long one?
Yeah. There's. Oh. Yeah, try that one. A bit longer. See where that lines up. Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
Nice. What do you want in next? Another long one, or you want that smaller?
Huh?
Have you got a small one there?
We'll put another one of these in. Fine, yeah.
That space, I think. Other side seems a bit.
Right, we need to go up now again.
Yeah, I know. What, so we want to go up higher?
Yeah. Might better trying it, Tim.
Well,
Might better trying a bit of alignment mix, you know, for them blocks. I was looking at, because we're towing, we're towing, weren't we? And it says they are, you can use a bit of lime with them, and breeze blocks and their ones.
yeah.
It does make it a bit, stops it from going off as much. We were alright other day though, Friday, it was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was warm, wasn't it? That's
But,
why.
you know what, on Friday, we had half a lime mix in it, didn't we? Can you remember that first mix?
Yeah.
It did have, we were on stone, it did have lime mix, didn't we?
Room 40 by 7.
Yeah,
What, is in that big?
to fit in there.
Jesus, you're fucking asking for something now.
Huh? Just cut a 70 down to 140, one of them 70s.
We gotta take a night train to the default city to rock out this fucking ancient walls. We gotta take a night train to the default city to make us dream us to down in reverse. We gotta take oh, dirty night train, yeah. We gotta take
be that. There we go, measure it. 200 from the block. Right, I think that's going to do for today, because we need to let it go off so we can join it up. So it needs a good hour or so. And we've run out of mix anyway, so we might as well leave it at that, might we? Point it up.
Yep.
Today we've got a load of boards have come, you know, for ceiling. I've got the call now.
Floor mark, not ceiling.
Well, floorboards, sorry, for floor. Forgot the
Agger
call.
boards, aren't they?
Agger boards.
Agger
something
boards.
like that. They've got like this grey top on them, so you can put them on when it's wet.
It's waterproof, aren't they?
Yeah, so once we get up there, I'll be able to put them boards on and work off them, which will be good. But we've got to shift them all now. So we'll have an hour shifting them, and then we'll have an hour pointing this up. Well, yeah, that's pretty much, we might get a little bit more done some days, but I think what we got there, 4 metres, 4 square metres about, that's like 5 in it, plus that's only 900 ice, about 4 square metres, maybe a little bit more. But we're probably looking at that, aren't we? Because there's all, we're probably going to be the same, because there's all cuts to do around things, and you'll have seen it on video, all cutting that we have to do. But it does look nice. Right, we'll get these boards shifted. We'll do a little video where brushing down, and we'll leave you at that. So that's it. We just scraped it back with pointing trowels, and then Tim's just giving it a brush finish. I have to whip round this side as well to get this corner in. That's only a low one, that, so that'll go in pretty easy. So just a little update. It is 3:30, Friday 25th, and we've had 4 days on this stonework. So we've done 4 more days and we've added it up, and it does come to about 4 metres a day. So it looks pretty nice. Like, I think we've done pretty well, to be fair. I mean, you can see all junk, all cuts that we've had to do. So we've done from there all the way around here to this end here. So it's quite a big run. I'm happy with that. Like, if we can carry on at that, it's what I expected really to get done. So we're all good. So we will be coming back on. I do have to have a day off at some point to do a bit of plastering. But I might wait in case it rains and just go on a rainy day. So anyway, we'll do some more recording next time, eh? See if we can get it round, and then hopefully jump on block work again and get it up to all lintel lights, get all them lintels on that down there. Right then, that's it. I shall see you in the next one. See you later.